and when we get to our work area, we basically just find the gullies on the map on the collector app and carry on cleaning as normal. When we're taking water on, we arrive at a designated water point, put on the standpipe and the hose, fill the gully cart up with as much as we need, and then when we finish, as we remove our apparatus, we re-sterilise it just to make sure it's left clean. The total volume of water on the gully cart is it's over 8,000 litres. There's 9 teams basically covering the whole of Hertfordshire. We work approximately 7 hours per day, and it works roughly at 221 days per year. We're cleaning anywhere up to 120 gullies a day per vehicle, so it equates to quite large numbers. I know last year it was almost 115,000 gullies got cleaned. I actually lifted a gully lid and there was a 12-foot diameter trampoline in its entirety, disassembled and put down a gully. I'd ask anybody to refrain from throwing anything down a gully, let alone building waste and stuff like that, because at the end of the day, if the gullies get blocked up and we get really bad rain, somebody's going to get a room flooded. So it's in everybody's interest to keep the gullies as clean as possible. I'd rather be outdoors doing a monotonous job any day than stuck indoors doing a job that might be a little bit more exciting. Not for me, give me this any day, I'm happy.